Hello everyone, my name is xoxo-JM. I hope you're doing fantabulous. Today I am going to be showing you how to apply false lashes, but I want to do a disclaimer. I'm letting you know right now, the moment that you apply false lashes for the very first time, you are not going to want to go back to wearing just mascara. False lashes are very, very addicting. I'm telling you that right now. That's just my disclaimer. I have to put that out there. I recorded this look that I'm wearing right now, and I had put a poll on my Insta stories and my Facebook stories asking you to ask me a couple questions, and I will answer them truthfully here on my YouTube channel. And I started recording that video, got all the way done to the eyes, and my microphone wasn't on. I turned it on before I started, and it must have died right in the middle of me recording. So I will have to do that video over again, but it will be coming. But yes, today we're going to be doing false lashes. And once you get the groove of it, it is very simple. I'm going to be using the Kiss lashes. These are in 09. Kiss lashes, they have little slits in them where you can lift it up, and it makes it easier for you to take the lashes out. You have to be very careful taking your lashes out of the containers. If you pull too hard, it will pull the hairs out and it can ruin the band, and then you're out of a good pair of lashes. You don't want that. You're gonna lift this up, and you can use tweezers. I personally don't like using tweezers because I'm afraid that I'm gonna pluck the hairs out. I like to use my fingers instead. So you're gonna lift and very carefully pull that lash off. Luckily, these lashes here, they have a very thin band. There are some false lashes where their bands are thick and they're black thick bands. And those ones are a little bit harder to bend and maneuver. When you put glue on them and place them on your eye, because the band is thick, it's a little bit heavier. It will lift a lot quicker than thinner bands, if that makes sense. So what I like to do is, once I take it out of the case, I will take the lash end to end, kind of just bend it a little bit. Just give it a little wiggle, just so you can get a good shape out of it. You're gonna place this on your eye to see where it lands. A lot of false lashes, you do have to cut them because they will be too long. On a false lash, you have a short end and a long end. A short end, and it gradually gets longer all the way to the end. The short end is for the inner portion of your eye, and then the longer end is for the outer portion. And normally when you have them in the case, if you don't know which is for which eye, you're looking at it this way, it's not this. It's this way. So this eye for this eye, this one for this eye. You're gonna want to place it on your eye to see how long it is, if you need to cut it off. Some people don't need to cut them off. Everyone's eye shape is different. So where I like to place it, I like to place the inner portion about 3/4 of the way, not half, not all the way in the inner corner, but right in the third. I feel like it looks a little bit more natural that way. So I will place it right there. There's no glue on it. I'm literally just placing it down. And as you can see, it's extremely long. It's too long. And you don't want to leave it like this because you will get a very droopy eye. You don't want a droopy eye. You want a very wide open, beautiful eye. So you're going to see where it lands, and you can see I need to cut right there. So I will take it off. You can see there is little notches in the lashes. So normally I like to cut off 2 little thickets. I don't know what you want to call them. So here's one right here, and then there's 2. It's a smaller one. So I will cut. So I will cut right there. So then when you go to place it back on your eye, inner to outer corner, it fits perfectly. There's nothing droopy. It's good. It's a good lash. When you are cutting your lashes, like I said before, it starts short and gradually gets longer. You're gonna wanna cut from the outer part of the lash, the longer part. If you cut from the inner part where it's short, you're gonna get long lash. And it's gonna stick straight up and it's not gonna blend in with your real lashes. Having it gradually from short to long makes it look natural. Before you apply your false lashes, you want to apply some mascara to your real lashes. You can do it after, but then your false lashes are gonna get all this mascara gook on them. It's gonna be a little bit harder to clean them. So I recommend doing mascara first and then putting your false lashes on. So usually what I will do is I will apply a little bit of glue on the lashes, and then while it dries, I will apply some mascara. Lash glue that I have, this is the Lash Strip Glue Adhesive. This is a very good glue. It is only, I think, like $3, and your lashes aren't going anywhere. It will stay on there very, very well. You want your glue to get tacky. You don't want to apply the glue to your lash and immediately apply the false lash to your eye. It's gonna slide all over the place, and if you spent so much time doing your eyeshadow and then you get glue all over, you're gonna ruin the beautiful eye look that you spent so long doing. Nobody wants that. I will show you what it will look like. You're gonna apply glue to your false lash, and you're gonna wait about 30 seconds for the glue to get tacky. That's the best way to do it. The glue will get tacky and it'll stick right to your eye and it will not go anywhere. Apply it right on the band, of course. And I will apply a little extra to the inner and outer parts of the false lash because those are the parts that will lift first. So this is what it looks like when you very first apply glue. It's all white. And then I will show you what it looks like when it gets tacky and when you should apply it to your eye. So while that is drying, I'm gonna apply some mascara. And I'm using the Essence Lash Princess Mascara. It's very, very good. Very good mascara. Gotta wait. Gotta wait for the glue to dry. I'm gonna show you what the lash should look like before you apply it to your eye. This is what it should look like. I hope you can see that. When we first started, it was white. And now it's starting to get clear. That means it's time to stick it on there before it dries out completely. You don't want it to dry completely because then it's not going to stick. Of the tweezers right in the center of the lash, and I will place it down the center first. Just like that. And then I will take the outer part, place it down, and you're going to want to place it as close as you can to your real lashes. Take the inner part, lift it over your real lashes, and then place it down. You're going to want it as close to your real lashes as possible so that they blend in together. And you can already see a difference. So this is my real lashes with some mascara, and then this is the false lashes. It just gives it that extra oomph. You know what I mean? Like it's just looks very elegant and very pretty. But that's it. That's how you apply false lashes. I really hope that this helped. If you are looking into wanting to wear false lashes, I hope that I helped in some way. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already so you can be part of my family and my channel here. I would really appreciate it. And until next time, I hope to see you next time. Bye, guys. I'm mad about that. I literally got through the whole video and the dang mic. This is taking a lot. Woo! Got it. I thought I lost it. Got it. So the short end, it's short. Obviously, Jocelyn. You guys.